Hi, my name is Audrey, and I'm a rising sophomore at Lynbrook High School. And my project was using Python and OpenCV to create a smile detection program. So for my first milestone, I finished the smile detection part, and then some modifications I made to the code were just basically making it more clear to the user if they were smiling or not. So for example, before it just had like a text around your face. So if you're smiling, it would say smiling, but I changed it so that when you're not smiling, it would say like not smiling. And then I also color coded it. So if you're smiling, the text would be green, and then if you're not smiling, the text would be red. And then for my second milestone, I also created a eye detection program. So this was pretty similar to my first program. It also used a heart cascade, which is like sort of an easy way to train your program to recognize a certain thing. For example, my first program, I used the face and the smile one. And then for my second one, I used, again, the face heart cascade. And then I used an eye one to detect like your eye. And then um, basically, this was like a lot simpler than the first time I had to create the smile detection program because I already had like the basic formatting down of what each block of code like should do, and I also like understood it a lot better. And then I did have some trouble because for my first program, I didn't have a lot of squares, so it wasn't that much like of a hassle to find the coordinates of where the square should be placed on your interface. But for this one, there's like two I squares as like you saw in the demo. So because of that, I had to do a lot of trial and error to figure out where those squares would go. And basically, all of this is so in the future, I plan to put it all together and also probably make my own cascade to train the program for like smiling eyes, and then put the smiling eyes and then the smiling mouth all together to make smile detection overall more effective, and then connect it to like some sort of hardware aspect, for example, like a handheld device with an Arduino and LED.